In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your WhatsApp status style from the horizontal layout to a more vertical, list-like view. Let's start by opening the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're using the latest version, because layout options and interface designs can change with updates. If you haven't updated in a while, it's a good idea to visit your App Store and update WhatsApp first, so the steps I'm about to show you match what you see on your screen. Once WhatsApp is open, look at the bottom or the top of your screen, depending on your device. You'll see tabs like Chats, Calls, and the one we're focused on today. Status. Go ahead and tap on the Status tab. This is where WhatsApp shows all the status updates from your contacts, and also where you create and view your own. By default, some users see status updates arranged more like horizontal stories, similar to what you find on other social media apps. What we want is a vertical list view, where each status appears one below the other, making it easier to scroll through them quickly. To change this, you'll need to access WhatsApp's settings. From the main screen, tap on the three dots menu in the top corner, or the settings icon, depending on your device. Then tap on Settings. Inside Settings, look for the section called Chats or something similar that relates to how things are displayed. In many versions of WhatsApp, layout and appearance options are grouped there. Within that section, look for an option related to status layout or status style. It might be described as horizontal or stories style versus list or vertical style. Select the vertical or list option. When you tap it, WhatsApp will apply the new layout automatically. If your app asks you to restart or reopen WhatsApp, go ahead and do that. Now return to the Status tab. You should see your statuses and your contacts' statuses arranged vertically, one under another, instead of as horizontal bubbles. This layout can be more comfortable if you like to see more information on the screen at once and quickly scroll through many updates. If you don't see these options, it could be that the feature is still rolling out or is slightly different on your device. In that case, double-check that your app is updated and explore the settings under both Chats and Status to find any layout or view options that affect how statuses are displayed. And that's it. You've now changed your WhatsApp status style from the horizontal layout to a vertical list style view.